Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find save game files on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see several options. Click on Library to access your full game collection. This is where all your installed and owned games are displayed, making it easy to manage them. In the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Right-click on the specific game you want to find save files for. A context menu will appear with various options. Hover your mouse over Manage to reveal additional choices, then select Browse Local Files from the submenu. This action will immediately open the game's installation folder in a new window showing you where all the game files are stored on your computer. Alternatively, if you installed your game on your local disk C, there's another way to navigate to these files manually. In the left panel of your File Explorer, click on Local Disk C or whatever local drive you installed the game on. This takes you to the root directory of that drive. Next, click on Program Files x86. This is a standard Windows folder where many applications, including Steam, store their files. After that, click on Steam to enter the main Steam directory. Inside this folder, you'll find all the core Steam files and subfolders related to your games and account. Now click on User Data. This particular folder is crucial because it contains all the save game data for your Steam account. Once you're inside the User Data folder, you can now see your Steam account number displayed as a folder name, along with all the game save files associated with your account. Each subfolder here represents different games and their respective save data, making it easy to locate exactly what you're looking for. And that's it, you've successfully located your Steam save game files, giving you direct access to backup, transfer, or modify them as needed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.